we are going to explain about the Incoterm. In Incoterm, there is 11 type of Incoterm. It's really difficult to remember all 11 type of Incoterm. We are just going to cover 3 group of them. First is Group C, Group D and Group F.
Intercoms do not cover. So for the first one is address all the condition of a sale. The second one is identify the goods being sold, not list to the contract price. The next one is reference the method, not timing of payment negotiated between the seller or the buyer. When title or ownership of the goods passes from the seller to the buyer, specific which document must be provided by the seller to the buyer to facilitate the customer clearance process at the buyer country. The last one is address liability for the failure to provide the goods in conformity with the contract of sales, delay delivery, not distribute resolution.
For Incoterm in Group D, there are 3 types of Incoterm, such as DAP, DDP and DAT. DAP stands for Delivered at Place. It's an international trade term used to describe a deal. For example, a seller agrees to pay all costs and suffer any potential losses of moving goods sold to a specific location, which means that the seller is responsible for everything happen to the goods. How DAP works? The seller is responsible for everything, including packaging, documentation, export approval, loading charges, and ultimate delivery. The buyers in turn takes over risk and responsibility as of the unloading of the goods and clearing them for import. The next one is DDP, which is Delivered Duty Paid. It's used in international trade to describe a deal where the seller of goods agree to bear all costs until the goods reach the destination. It means that the seller has to pay for the transportation of the goods from their storage to the port. If the goods are damaged in any way while they are being transported, the seller will have to bear the cost. DAT, which is Delivered at Terminal. The seller is responsible for arranging carriage and for delivering the goods unloaded from the arriving means for transport at the named place. Risk transfers from seller to buyer when the goods have been unloaded. The buyer is responsible for important clearance and any applicable local taxes of important duties.
FCA Freight Carrier. Under the shipping term for FCA Incoterm, the seller is responsible for export clearance and delivery of goods to the carrier at the named place of delivery. A carrier is any person or company who undertake the carriers, such as shipping line, airline, trucking company, railway or freight forwarder. For FAS, free alongside the vessel at the named port of departure. The named port of departure location can be loading dock or a barge, but not a container terminal. FAS only applies to ocean or inland waterway transport. It is popular with bulk cargo such as oil or grain. Seller obligation, goods, commercial invoice and documentation. Buyer obligation, loading charge and main carriage. FCA
And that's all from us. Thank you.